Good evening, traders. Good evening. But as you can see, it's Friday, October 4th. The trading day is over. It's evening time now. Um, just to recap what I did from yesterday evening to this morning. I did trade this morning, but I waited until after the major non-farm payroll. So you can still trade, just have to be careful. So let's head on to what was done yesterday evening. Okay. Okay. So what went down yesterday? All right. Yesterday evening, I took a trade on Euro NZ, Euro NZD. That ended up in a loss. Put the account back some more, but yeah, it is what it is. I lost. Um, But then later on that night, I took a trade when the market seemed a little bit clearer. I took a trade on CAD JPY. Now here it was only a $15 gain, and that's because I came out of the trade early. Honestly, it was very late. I'm usually sleeping around the time that I closed this trade out. I was getting tired, and I didn't want to leave the trade open because really, uh, when I leave trades open, it gives me anxiety and I can't sleep properly at night. So I closed the trade out, and the trade did go to my take profit. It did reach my take profit. Mm, yeah, right here. This is where I closed out. I had my take profit somewhere down here. But that's fine with me because really I want to, try build up my confidence again after these two losses. So I just kept at it. Yeah, and that was the loss that was the small win there for CAD JPY. That's about the time I went to bed. And this morning I took a trade on GBP Swiss. Um, I let it hit my take profit, went straight to take profit, and that was 51.23. So that was a good win for me, good for the mind, that was good. Also, CAD JPY, I went back, I checked CAD JPY this morning, and this also, I came out of this one early also. Um, I just wanted to secure a profit. I'm going to be honest. I wanted to secure that profit, but this would have hit my take profit a profit to I had to take profit to about 40 pips at first, and then I moved it to about 22, but then I still closed out early. So yeah, I closed this one out early. And let's see, I closed this out on the mobile phone. That's why I don't see the yeah, but it closed out early, and this would have definitely hit my take profit, and I would have been um the account would have been in that little bit of profit, but that's okay. I feel a lot better uh, following my rules and making sure I do what I'm supposed to do. But this was a really good trade, and I'm a little disappointed that I missed out on the pips. But like I said, I still a little shaky, so it was a good win. So yeah, that's about it. I didn't end up in profit for the week. Uh, it happens. nothing I can do, just move forward. So I'm looking forward to Monday. Hopefully, Monday brings um, some nice moves in the market. And on the weekend, I'm just gonna do some simulation trading, and I'll take for Saturday and Sunday. I'll just take a good break from the charts. But that is about it for now. Um, keep the quest alive. Have a good day.